The Alesis Turbo Max electronic drum set offers a full 7-piece configuration with mesh pads that feel surprisingly close to acoustic drums while keeping practice volume very low. Its compact folding frame and lightweight hardware make it easy to fit into tight spaces and to tuck away when you are not playing. The included drum module provides a generous range of preset kits, coaching tools, and play-along tracks that genuinely help beginners build timing and coordination. Bluetooth connectivity lets you stream songs or lesson content straight into the module, so practicing along with your favorite tracks or apps is simple and cable-free. A complete bundle of accessories, including headphones, drum throne, and sticks, means new drummers can start playing immediately without hunting for extra pieces. Integration with modern devices through USB and audio connections makes this kit a flexible choice for quiet home practice, basic recording, and long-term skill development.